Hello YouTube. Alright, so you may have seen me somewhere from like my brother's Darkstrader videos, like moronic brother, stepmom and aunt make weird noises while working out, and no texting while biking. You may think of me as the stupid one. I'm not the stupid one. Just to let people know. I come up with some of the stuff, he films and puts it on YouTube for his account. But people kind of don't appreciate it, I guess. I don't know. So today I'm gonna show you what I've made, like something for your CO2 powered pistol BB gun. I don't know. Alright, so I keep mine in my drawer under some clothes, but I took and made it out of a poker, one of those poker things, and you can kind of see what I did in there. Okay, hang on. I'm new to this camera crap. Alright, hang on. Oh, my thumb! Alright, hang on. You can kind of see what I did with this. For the CO2, it's pretty thick. You can use some of the foam stuff right here, but I cut it out for a thing for the CO2. Now, this is paintball CO2 because it was cheaper than the BB gun CO2. So, yeah. I mean, it's pretty simple. Just take the thing that holds the chips out. Take the foam thing, put it on the bottom, cut something out to hold the CO2, and put the BBs in and the gun, and you're all set. Now, if you're looking for like something to hold a real BB gun, I've done it with the guitar case. But hang on. Like say this one. This is a Daisy, my beast. Okay, it's not cocked out. Perfect. Alright. There's my guitar over here. Set it back right there. Now, this one opens up from the bottom, so might as well. This one I've had for a while. I got it for Christmas one time. It's pretty when I was pretty young. Alright. So we're gonna take it. Just put it in. There's a barrels in this part. So you can see how thin that gets. I'm trying to twist it. And then put the stock back there. And just go this. And you're good, I guess. Alright. Peace, YouTube.